lot of you already said in the chat, you've been picking it up. You love the price. It is the 5-piece cheese board set. And here is the woman herself. Tara Tesha, how are you, girlfriend?
I'm good, how are you?
I love your
Great
sweater,
to
by
be
the
here.
way.
Thank you. It's very summery, right?
Absolutely. A lot of people already been shopping for this. They love the price, and they're thinking if there's any time of year you'd love to have some cheese and wine outside, it's now.
And I love this because it's like the superhero in our collection. You've been asking for a cheese board, but this is so much more. Of course, we're incorporating many different pieces to bring it all together. But let's start with kind of the magic behind it, which is going to be that beautiful bamboo serving board. This actually can work as a cutting board as well as a serving board. You have that great rim that runs around, so when you're putting that stoneware piece inside there, everything's going to stay put. But think about just this piece alone, but we keep on getting better. We include our 12-inch shallow baker or server that you see here, and the reason why I wanted to do that, for me, a flat cheese board just doesn't tell the whole story. I love that it has some depth here so that I can stack things inside here as well. Use this as a regular baker. It's our great stoneware, so you'll love it. And then we couldn't have a cheese board without all the accoutrement. So we have our fork, we have our little server, and of course we have our knife, all coming together in the perfect 5-piece set that morphs into so many other things.
And we have Old World and Floral Lace, the two most popular patterns. I can tell you we just reduced the price on this today. Comparable retail value over $60. We are at $32 and change, so we're $29 less and on 3 easy payments. But no reorder. So we'll walk through the color choices, and then I'll give an update on each color.
You want me to do that? All right,
please.
perfect. So as Stacy mentioned, we are retiring this, but we have 2 of our Americanas. We have our Firework Fetty, and we have our Firework.
If you want Firework Fetty, I have fewer than 200 to go around, and we can just take that. That's gone. Firework is gone. And if you picked up the Americana series and the Lock and Lock baskets,
cute.
How great would that go with those two?
Then we have our 2 summer patterns. We have our Ocean Fetty, and we have what we call our Summer.
In Ocean Fetty, 300 available, then it's gone.
Summer. We have our Egg Hunt.
And the Summer, we have how many?
Oh, sorry. I'm so excited.
300 available in Summer, and then that'll be gone.
Then we have our Egg Hunt. I love that we still have some of that left over.
Only 100 available, though, Tara.
Here we have our Light Blue and our Floral Lace.
300 available on that.
We have our Blue and our Old World.
In Blue Old World, 100 available.
Blue and our Floral Lace.
In the Floral Lace, about 500 available.
Here we have our Green Old World.
In Green Old World, we're at 200.
Here we have our Green Floral Lace.
And that one, fewer than 100 available.
I love that guy.
And then it's going to be gone. Remember, folks, this is going to retire. This is it. This is all we have left.
Then we come down to our black. So I love this because I think this is one of those neutral palettes. This is our Floral Lace black.
300 left in that.
And our Old World black.
Only 100 left in the Black Old World.
Then we have our spices. We have our Floral Lace spice.
100 available.
Our our Old World and Spice.
4 dozen available.
Then we have our browns. We have our chocolate in Floral Lace.
In chocolate, fewer than 200 available.
Regular brown in Old World.
200 available.
Then we have our cranberry.
Okay.
In Floral Lace.
300 available.
Cranberry in Old World.
4 dozen available on this one.
We only have red in Floral Lace. Old World has sold out. So red Floral Lace.
And we are at 200 left. So if you want red, 200.
Then we have eggplant and Floral Lace.
200 available.
And we have confetti
and
in Old World.
Confetti, when you can't decide on a color, we have 300 available. Again, comparable retail value, $62. We're at 32 and change. Temp-tations has been with us, I believe, is
17 years?
17 years. And we've sold 18 million sets. Why? Because it's more than just a pretty platter.
You know, what I love about it is that it goes in the oven up to 500 degrees. It goes in the refrigerator, the freezer, the microwave. And in that cheese dish, in that cheese board, you can make a deep dish barbecued pizza. Can you do that with your cheese board? Of course you can't. So I love, again, the fact that you have that 12-inch diameter. So, of course, you can do things like pizza. Did you know that it's National Peaches and Cream Day?
I did not know that.
So look, we actually baked a cake in here. This is actually from my cookbook, but instead of using the cherries, we actually just did the peaches inside here. Oh, but this is what I love about it. It's naturally non-stick, so when you can actually cut it, and free that piece, nothing is going to stick. Look at that. Even heating all the way around. We used our KitchenAid hand mixer that we were just showing you earlier, and look how gorgeous and flaky that is. I'm going to give you a little piece. You can even save
You
it for
better
later.
give me a piece.
I know.
you'd
that's
serve
what I
David.
love about you.
With a little whipped cream. Okay, more than 1,000
Yes.
sets spoken for.
Oh, you're gonna love it. That's for you.
K48464 is your item number. And you know what? We eat with our eyes.
We do.
And one of the things that I've always loved about Temp-tations is the recipe that I've made for my family for years, everybody knows and loves, all of a sudden has new life again when you see it on something so beautifully designed.
And you know, one of the things that I love hearing all the time is that you say, it inspires you to cook again. And that's one of the biggest compliments that I get. And exactly what Stacey was saying. Maybe the same thing that you've been rotating with your family. That's how we ate growing up. There were certain things we had every week. Now you can reinvent it and do things like your hot dips, like your cold dips. Here we did a beautiful spinach and artichoke dip that we just used the board for. How sweet is that? And then in the middle, you can use it for, of course, what we love to call our centertaining, where I'm always giving you an idea of what you can do with our baking pieces besides just use them in the kitchen. So put a little lavender there with some pebbles, and we did a cute little lantern. And then, of course, what it was designed for, of course, our beautiful cheese board.
And I love just the wooden serving tray,
Isn't
just
that
for
so
your
simple?
wine glasses and
yeah,
your
I'm going to grab
wine.
something from the fridge before we go back.
2,000 now spoken for. We are super busy on the line. If you want to jump ahead and get your color now, because we already had some selling out, please go to QVC.com to do so. And this is so
Is this adorable?
darling.
So I don't know if you all know this, but my mother is the one who does our food menus, and this was something she called her watermelon wands. So little blueberries, blackberries. It will keep cold things cold as well. So our stylists do such a beautiful job, and my mom, of course, comes up with all the great ideas.
She's
Isn't
brilliant.
that great?
Like mother, like daughter, right?
Aw,
There we
thank
go.
you.
All right, let's go through the colors again.
Okay.
This is retiring. There is no reorder, and you're saving almost $30 because you're picking up now at the clearance price that we just offered for
Yeah,
the first
so
time today.
3 pieces. Again, everything's going to go right in the dishwasher. I knew you were
That's
going to say
gone.
that.
Yeah,
Okay.
but
I'll
just show 'em what
really
you're
quick.
getting.
Okay.
Okay.
So the fork, the server, and the knife, all with that stainless steel, all ceramic handled. They all go in the dishwasher, no worries. Your 12-inch low-profile server, as well as that beautiful double-sided bamboo board. So this is going to be our firework fetty, which rumor has it it's gone.
Yep, just
okay.
sold out.
How about ocean fetty in summer?
Okay, we're okay.
Okay. Egg hunt?
Egg hunt, we only have a few dozen.
Light blue?
All right, in light blue, 200 available.
And then in old world blue?
Last call,
Floral lace blue?
about 400.
Old world green?
Last call,
Floral lace green?
last call.
And then down in front are 2 blacks, Floral lace black and old world black.
Last call in the old world black.
Ah, braided detail.
And
love
200
that.
in the floor lace.
And then in spice floral lace.
We were so limited, about 100 in each, and that's it.
Okay, and then old world. And then we have our chocolate in our floral lace and our brown in our old world.
Okay, we're okay.
And
the
then
rest of the colors will be
we're good.
okay. Yep.
Cranberries in both, red, eggplant, and the confetti at the end.
Okay, no reorder, folks.
No,
Retiring.
sorry, guys.
So some of those were last call. Grab them, please. 3 easy payments, $10.99. I'm going to go back in and finish my cake.
I was just going to say, how was your cake?
Really good.
Aha.
And moist. I
None
love
for
it.
David. We're eating the whole thing.
It's for the ladies,
All right,
David.
we'll save you a piece. Thank you.
Bye. David.
You all say you're eating all of it?